Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you're looking for the ultimate drink companion, then I want to show you this really cool bottle chiller. This is from Asobu, and this thing is great. So this is the Frosty Beer to Go. It is a stainless steel insulated beer chiller. So if you want to make sure that your beer or drink stays really cold, no matter what kind of bottle you're using or can, this is the way to go. So the cool thing about this is, first of all, it's beautiful. And this is a wood grain. It's a stainless steel, but it does come in a few other colors as well. They have some really cool looking options. And it comes with a bottle opener on the top. So very handy, you'll never be without. This piece here is a rubber kind of silicone material, pops off, and then you can see that this is the inside of the bottle. You simply unscrew it, take this piece off, and then you can insert a regular size can, and then just put this part on here, and then you have a can koozie as well. Or if you want to insert a bottle, you go ahead and put your bottle in here, attach this piece, and then you can continue to put the top piece on, and then you can hold your beer. And what's great about it too is that you do have this topper, so even if your bottle is open, you can cover it up and keep it closed with that piece there. So this is really the all-in-one. It's an amazing can and bottle cooler. It keeps your drink cold, it keeps it protected, it looks beautiful. So you really can't go wrong with this. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.